Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Bly. Hi, P-Dids. Hi. Y'all, what's up? How is everybody? Happy Tuesday. Can you believe it? Can you believe that yesterday was Monday and then tomorrow is Wednesday? Like, what's going on? This is news new to me, and nobody prepared me. Congrats on getting hair first, Unicorn, and also P-Dids. Hi, Jay. How are you? Yellow, absolutely. Miss Nymphia Wind. I'm channeling. We're channeling. It's like a weird vibe, I think, because it's almost like I have very like white eyebrows or something. And then I've done like the biggest winged liner I've done before, and I was like, that's a little big, but I don't feel like fixing it, quote unquote fixing it. So here we are. How you doing, Jay? How's your Tuesday? It is it is almost like you bleached your eyebrows, right? It's kind of giving that vibe. Not that. That's not what I meant. Like, I've seen people on TikTok who have white eyebrows. Like, if I had a white face, I'd be pulling off a goth look. Jay, are you playing games tonight? Are you gonna be playing any DBD? Cause I decided I'm playing regular DBD versus the PTB. Hi, Xerxes, how are you? Hey, Sofia. Hi, Walk Assets. I'm Slinger, by the way. Good luck. Oh God, I'm about to walk all you. Not a chance you're winning. Damn, I believe you, but you didn't have to say it. Like, I'm ready for you to eat my ass or whatever they say. That's what they say. Unicorn, you're good. Yay. Oh my God, it is Death Slinger. They didn't lie. Uh-oh, can we do it? Ah! Yeah. It's all worth it. It's all for the cause, darling. Can anyone name where that quote's from? It's a very vague, generic quote that's from a movie that I love. I'm gonna tell behavior all of my thoughts. Ah! Where did it go? But that's what I'm saying. When scene partner activates, the other one would also activate. You just wouldn't scream, is what my imagination says. Also, how come he never comes back to the locker? Every time I want to head on, he never comes back. But when I'm not head-oning, they're like insta open. Whatever. I love that. But yeah, it's hard to remember, right? Sofia, not that. What'd you do? What'd you do this time? Ellie, you're so funny.
Ladies.
What does that mean, Zach? What does that mean? What does it mean to be giving albatross? Y'all, I know what's on TV tonight. This helicopter crash on the news at 9. I want to see if there's one other. Oh, look up the bird. Like, literally, I'm giving albatross. I hate that, but also, I love that. It's giving. Where's Sadako's reporter skin? I would love that. Sofia, you ran him and then wiggled out. Oh, not that. But 5 gens and he DC'd? That's like the beginning of the game. Maybe they were like, oh shit, I queued up his Wraith. I forgot that that's a bad decision. Or Sadako's movie where's the Sadako with the Maxine skin? Or like X or Pearl? Give her the Pearl skin. I cannot wait for Sadako's skin to come in from the mobile game. Oh my god, you scared me. She has a cool cosmetic. Isn't this from like Alien Resurrection? Which TV did she go to? Oh, that one's close by. There she is! Ah! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Giggleth? Ooh. Are they giggling? No! Bummer. Matt, do you eat cereal? Do I? Absolutely. I love cereal. And I am not scared to eat children's cereal. Oh my goodness! Thank you, thank you, thank you, Bly. You are so kind. Your Wi-Fi modem is for like internet and cable if you have cable. That kind of thing. Telephone. She's like, you are on my list, you bitch. You body blocking bitch. And you know what? I would deserve it. Thank you, Bernard. Bernard. I heard some people were having issues with Steam earlier. After, yay! Not your computer needing a good update. Oh my god, it's just problems after problems after problems. Oh! Did you see her hair go first? Did you see it? You can see it so clearly in the thingy. You know the thing. Thingy. Damn it. Don't worry, it should be ready by midnight. Not that. Aw, you didn't have a heart. That's fine, Sadako. Did the hair person get your shirt somehow? You know she did. She said, "What are you doing here with a shirt on?" It says, "Shirts, shoes, no service." That makes sense, right?
Gay?
Gay.
That's also why. She was like, "It's Pride Month. Why is your shirt on?" Woo! Just like that. I guess it would be like the male part, right? They would call that the male part, sticking out of the back of the modem, and you would screw the female cable onto it. Ooink. Because of the heteronormative agenda. Thnx is so goth in that skin, OMG. Do you like it? I really like this cosmetic. It's like the only cosmetic I have for her that I like. Oh, wow. Way over 13. Because, like, let me look. I guess I could wear this, but I don't like it. That helps? Yay! We should be referring to the plugs as tops and bottoms.
And sis, that's tea.
You are so right. That's such a good idea. Yeah, so make sure the modem is is the top and the cable is the power bottom. Bly, the way you said a heteronormative agenda should be a soundbite. If I can remember, I'll do that because that's a good idea. That's great. Oh, I ended up playing Fang anyways. Oopsies. Yeah, for real. Congratulations. It's a Bubba! Ah! But P-Dids, you wanna plug in the one that has that gold screw thingy on the back. Haha, sucker. Whee! He thought. Oh my gosh, I actually got him. He didn't break it. I wonder how. Ah! No, my item. Ah! I always get caught in there. No! That was a good run, right? Right? You literally can't see them if you're on the second, or yeah, the bottom floor. I'm a gammon. Gothang to the rescue. Ah! Girl! What you doing? Aw, you should have stayed by the pallet. Ah! God damn it! Since when were they behind me? Also, sounds good, P-Dids. We're crossing our fingers and our toes. Don't you worry. I mean, we can't even really take a hit for them. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. We did it. No, we're not bagging. We're saying a cute goodbye. That's it. Yay, got that challenge done. Unique soybean boy? That's funny. Aw, did you see that person's quote? It was, I love being a VFX artist. Good for you. You should love what you do. Sexy David. You stole that! I can't believe that. Now I have to wait again. DC or just chilling tonight? DC? Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I was very confused. I was like, are we disconnecting? Are we DCing from this game for some reason?
Let's be toxic and just DC.
I was so confused.
First game on DC.
Let's do it. Let's get out of here.
Let's blow this bitch. Why am I exposed? What did I do?
It's part of the event. Isn't it fun?
Oh, wait.
Don't you like that? Oh my god, the second we touch the gen. I love it.
Oh, dang it.
She's coming.
No. You already got me. You already got me. Why me?
I got her attention.
What are you doing? Let me heal you. Okay.
She lost me. Which locker am I in? Ooh. Oh, now she's on Vittorio / Tiffany. Wow. When jumping in lockers just works for me. Even though I'm trying to head on. P71, congratulations. That's Gundaba.
What'd you just call me?
I saw that. Wasting perfectly good pebbles.
I could change the game. And refresh.
Damn. It's nothing like a Benji stream where he yells at you. Where they yell at you.
Or did I not save it?
I don't know. I need to... My thing's not refreshing very well. It's correct. I did have to refresh them.
Oh, okay. I quit. Good. Useless. Oh.
Ooh, 3 prestiges. Wait, I saw that and thought today was July. No, it's June, you silly goose.
And sis, that's T.
You silly Billy. Why's she slugging you? Is it because of all the pebbles? That's funny. That's great. Which we did that one time. Lampkin Lane. Have you ever thought about how that looks very close to pumpkin? I think the writers of
Give
Halloween
that imitation,
were high.
baby. Now Daddy's got 2.
It's
Who is
GhostFace.
Good luck.
Well, he didn't fall for that.
Oh, corrupt.
Well, it'll be over in a second. If it actually was corrupt. It should have ended when I got downed. Sofia, thank you for the idea. No! Barbecue in Miss Chile.
He's gonna fucking... I'm gonna get pissed. I'm gonna get so pissed.
Whoops.
I don't like it!
So they are on you?
I don't know. I ran because I got scared.
You don't even know. They're on me.
No. Okay, good.
Good.
I hyped myself up too much and got scared.
Ah! Can you just let me please head on you and my life will be fulfilled? Thank you.
Okay, I did the main house.
Yes! Sucker! He lunged so far. It really does give me life. If GhostFace gives you life, who do you give the lemons to? Don't listen.
I know he's around here. I hate it. There he's coming.
Wow, he's toxic, tunneling me.
He went downstairs.
Yeah, he's chasing me.
Okay,
Ever wonder why? And who?
I'm coming back.
No! That was supposed to work.
Oh, I forgot he could do that.
Not the insta hook defeating our trolling. Bummer. How many? 4 offerings. Suppose it was a big waste. Laura Croft is very pretty, and they made her very pretty. Also, JT, thank you again for the raid.
Oh, I hate this map.
Yeah, it's not the best. Someone needs to bring
This
a
is not my
lawnmower
map.
and a weed whacker.
Oh, we don't. Oh God, hello. Oh, it's a pig, and she's already seen me.
Is she nice? Does she want boobs?
Oh no, let me see.
Yeah, JT, if you need to go do your after stream care, go for it. Go get some water, go stretch, go to sleep, do your thing. Sophia's out here on the grind. What are you doing with your blood points, Benji? Are you P100ing someone?
Sure.
What? I don't believe you.
Do you want boop? Boop? No, she doesn't want boop.
Oh no, what the
She
heck?
also has Franklin's.
Oh, I'm gonna put my medkit in a safe
She
place.
said no boop.
Oops. There. Safe.
What? And they have all the pride charms. They got the trans flag, the lesbian flag, and the bird. No boopy?
JT, no problem. I enjoy stopping in.
You already finished the gen. Now I have to do this? What if I don't remove my trap? Should I just die with the trap on?
JT, have a good night.
Oh, just
Get
kidding.
some good
First-
rest and have a lovely Wednesday. Maybe some bacon though. Take her for a long loop.
Get it off. Get it off. Get
Yeah,
it off.
with the
Get
power
it
of
off.
cheerleading, we did it.
She no like it the boop.
Yeah, what's that about?
I don't know. A pig that doesn't like boops? The fuck?
Sophia, now why you gotta go and make it weird? What'd I say? That was weird. I'm so sorry.
I swear she comes and kills me.
I mean, she is. I'll take her attention by going in this locker. And maybe a plot twist. Top chatter, Sophia in the house. Yeah, you are top chatter.
Oh god, you scared me.
Oh, there's Dwight. Where's Pig?
Thanks for nothing!
Literally.
Let's go do this, Jed. No? Okay. Okay.
This one's better.
Maybe you should have done this, Jen.
Well, I'm protecting you. Are liking Florida at all?
He is. He's doing. He joined a LGBTQ group, like some, I think, like Lakeline LGBTQ or something. So he's going to a brunch tomorrow morning, and he was like, and they're saying like we're gonna kiki. He was
Oh
like,
God!
What is that? And I was like, you don't know Kiki?
As long as
You don't
it's
know
not
her?
Kai Kai. You don't know her.
Let's make this day memorable.
Yay, unicorn, we're playing. It's Chucky.
Fun. On a map where we can't even see the ground very well.
Literally, I was like, oh, I guess I got hit by a bush or a fern.
I just tripped over a vine and it hurt me.
Yeah, exactly. Also, he do be having hubris. Oh, that was good. There's a little person running around.
Witchling, how do you always get found?
I don't know. Oh, he avoided that one. Look at me, big person, little person, big person, little
I'm about to go into second.
person. No, you're not. I know the timer, like the back of my hand. What's that? Oh, unicorn, I'm sorry we couldn't get you up before he hooked you. What's that? Why am I screaming? There's nothing scary going on. But also, when I was playing with my friend on Phasmo, like 3 out of the 5 games we played were mimics. Oh! Ah! Where did he come from? Is he really gonna kill me? Like this?
Wait, oh, were you not able to get her? Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm coming.
But he doesn't know where I plot twisted. That was so good of me. I'm amazed.
He's coming back.
I'm amazeballs. I think is the proper terminology. Thank you, unicorn. Hi, Sofia. Wow. No heal party for Sofia. What are you clicking about?
That's its
Weird.
name.
I don't get why it didn't let me bet any points.
It's crazy when you
But-
think about it.
Either way, that works. I mean, who hasn't wanted to be a ghost? You're just haunting my stream, no big deal. Haunting chat. Huge! Oh, I won again. Now it seems like it's rigged. Hashtag rigged. Slap, slap.
Oh.
Wow, I do have it on
What?
this build.
Oh,
What? Slap, slap.
hang on.
Ooh, did you watch the recent episode of Drag Race? It was so good.
Just kidding.
I want this
You're
to
gonna be my wife. What's a wife?
These stairs ain't big enough for the two of us. Which is honestly a little fat shamey.
Is one of us going for
Yeah,
unicorn?
I'm trying to get there. But there's an Oni chasing me! Cookie, yas, dinner's ready. I'll be lurking till I'm done eating. Sounds good, Toasty, or Cookie. Thank you so much for coming in. Oh, he's the Minotaur? What is that? Is that the right word?
Sofia, don't you dare get that totem. Sofia.
Oh, that was so good of him. That was great. Look at this cosmetic. It's so cool, and I'm suddenly a furry. It's a lighthouse.
Kill me,
Haunted
bitch.
lighthouse. Damn, so demanding. Well, that was a fake ass laugh. New map hype. Hype, 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 hype.
Why is it not reading some of them, and some of them it does?
Reading.
Since when has been a slut crime in this family?
How did he know? Oh, he knows. No! That sucks. Yep, a lighthouse sounds great, right? It's like 9 floors. A different room is on each floor. It's like a different thing. Cookie, it's fantastic. It really is. Cookie was streaming it earlier and I joined
Why
them.
are you going back down there?
Because I'm hooked down there. Oh, sorry, Unicorn. Blocking it with my big booty. Where are you, Oni-chan? Oh, not you being all the way over there.
Oh, that's okay. Mama Stoop hasn't gotten...
Yeah, that's good. Good, Mama Steve, good.
No, oh, is it because you said slut and it didn't read it out for you?
I'm coming for Mama Steve. Not the Weave attunement. He came so much faster than I expected. He got your ass. He literally did. My ass has been gotten. He's a... What is it? My ass is grass and he mowed it, or whatever. I can't believe that. I cannot. Me with Kindred and Whispers. You're like, what are those?
Yeah, I always keep Windows at least.
Windows? What are you, a noob?
Yeah, and what?
Got that training wheel perk.
Okay. Isn't Kindred just like a basic perk that comes out on the first?
It's so true.
Festus foot?
Trickster. Yeah, follow everyone who left scratch marks. No! Why me? I was the only one who didn't run away. Oh, it's not fair.
Maybe you should have.
There's something just so unpleasant about Trickster and his knives.
They feel a little bit homophobic.
Right? No! They never give me enough time.
You? He also has that thing when you get on a gin you can't see.
Mindbreaker.
Yeah.
My goodness. Cookie damn calling them out.
Oh, that's
Not again. Yes, again.
annoying.
Which, did y'all know that Franklin is a character in Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
Why can I not do my diversion? It's all the way full, is it not?
Okay, this isn't so he grabs me out by the throat, it's so I head on. Haha, sucker! Sucker on that. Also, his chase music sounds like a siren. And not a good kind of siren. He got very discombobulated, ladies. He's discombobulated.
Are you looking for your...
He blocked the pallet! Oh, he's moaning now. Yup, Franklin's is a perk. And that's also like shorthand.
And sis, that's T.
That is motherfucking T, okay?
Fine.
Fine. But it's the full name is actually Franklin's Demise.
Why is he...
I think he's mad at me.
Why is he after you again?
For the reasons specified. Oh, he found me.
No!
This is consistent with every other game we've played. I don't know why you're surprised. No, unicorn. I'll try not to scream extra loud. Sorry, unicorn. Didn't mean to display your bad day. Benji, you're so funny. You didn't fall for that in the least. I don't think you have time.
No! Fuck you! Fuck you!
I can't believe that. That's so
shit
mean.
was like 99.99% done.
See, if I was the killer, I would have let you finish and then killed you. But no, they had to be a party pooper. A gen pooper.
Sofia, that gen's almost done.
Yeah, Sofia,
You
there's a
can get out.
99 gen. Yup. Yeah, I don't think you should take them together. Probably one or the other. I would suggest the marijuanas because that's probably better for you than NyQuil. What's that full of? Chemicals. You don't want that. Bummer. But, like, these have been the games. Benji, I love you. Yup, that just made me laugh so hard. Well, I'm glad, and I already forgot what I had said. You're disgusting. I didn't
Excuse me?
consent to hearing your disgusting bodily sounds.
Unicorn changed their badge.
Did they? Oh, unicorn! No! Not me bullying you. I'm so sorry.
Wow, Witchling bullied you to be
Into
prouder?
being more inclusive. Damn. Witchling's evil. Guilty.
And sis, that's tea.
Happy Preed. Light Borb.
Happy Preed. Happy Prude.
Happy Prude. Happy Prude. Everybody be abstinent. I want to see no collarbones. Wear those turtlenecks, ladies.
Don't be showing your
Ladies.
ankle, you slut.
Not you slut shaming the ankle showers.
You need to wear those 100-button shoes and
100 button shoes.
cover up that forehead.
100 button shoes. Boots with the fur. Shut up.
But was everybody in the club looking at her?
I'm crying. Also, Unicorn, I also love the pink hair. I also love that it's a messy bun. Let's see. Unicorn's running right there. It's Michael. They're stalking whoever's on the gen. Sofia, run!
Okay, so that's not me. I'm in the basement of the house. So if anybody wants to come over here and do this gen with me so I don't feel alone in this basement.
Sofia! I know you're not in the voice chat, but you could have told me he was coming upstairs. Jesus Christ.
Okay, so since he's after you, don't come in the basement of the house, please.
Okay. Fine.
Do you plot twist?
Not him nodding at me. Yes, I did plot twist, and he like knew where I was. Zero.
Is it
hesitation.
a stretch mirror, Myers?
It could be, but he did tear up.
True.
Cookie, I didn't win the fight against the migraine. Hope the rest of stream is awesome as you. Aw, you are so sweet, Cookie. Thank you for letting me hang out today. Thank you for the games. Thank you for hanging out in stream. I hope your migraine goes away very quickly. Please get some rest. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being my friend.
Sweet darkness take you.
Yep, pup. Fun fact, tablecloths and like piano covers got popular to hide the table ankles too. Like what? Table kink? Are you Is that true? He's going back to the house. Thank you for the warning, Sophia. I appreciate you so much. Ah! He's so fast. Who made him so fast? Ah! Oh my god, he destroyed that. He must have, what is it? Brutal strength.
You're doing so good. I can see you. I'm on the other end of the
Thank
street.
you. Ah!
He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
360 for the win, bitch. Oh, I'm juicing him like Sophia. Now I know what it feels like to be Sophia. Sophia.
Wait,
So
what?
much is
How?
happening. Damn it. He's still on me. Ah!
Good for you.
No,
Ooh,
he's
I can
off
see
me.
that.
Alert,
Oh,
alert,
he's,
alert.
he's still coming to you. He's still coming to you.
Really? Where?
Yeah, he's right behind you. Oh, wait.
Don't lie to me! Oh, you're talking
Yeah,
to
there's
Unicorn.
two Janes. Why is there two Janes?
Because I wanted to be twinsies.
Oh, I hear you.
Where are you? Oh, you scared me? What are you doing over there? My God. Being the other Michael Myers. Shirtless Michael that we always wanted, though. Sophia's about to go take a hook.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, flashlight?
I don't know. Go be silly. Go be quirky. Michael doesn't like that.
You just jumped me off in front of.
You better not go back. No! Sophia, I tried. Wow. Not the disrespect from the Myers. I don't believe he would just let you go. He's playing with his food. Oh wait, I'm the obsession.
I thought he was looking through that window. It freaked me out.
Woohoo! We did it. One more to go, team.
There he is. Hello. Just let him stalk you. That's great.
Thank you for the water redemptions, yeah, pup and goth. Bye. Unicorn, hi. Love you, Unicorn. I love that after all this, he's still after you, Benji. Sophia, I needed more points. I'm so close to P72, but I died so fast. I didn't get more than 20k. That is pretty bad. I guess the last gen is still up here, right? And then, oh no, never mind.
Michael, why? What did I do? Get him. Stop. I don't like it.
So there is no gen in this house. Interesting. Just kidding, found it.
No! Fuck! Fuck! No! Stop! I hate this! I hate this! Oh, hi! He's coming!
Yeah. He turned around to kick the gen and I plot twisted. I love it so much. Do you know where he is?
No.
Unicorn hasn't even been hooked yet. Sophia's dead. Jane's coming. Alert, alert, alert. Ah, no! Haha, stuck a.
I don't have For the People anymore.
Banshee, no!
Oh, okay.
Well, it was a little scary, so I'm sorry we all reacted so terribly. I thought we were all going to die suddenly. Okay.
Get out of my way.
Nope.
Get out of my way.
No, this lane's better.
Wait, so why does Sofia die?
Lady.
I don't know.
Oh, I was just working on my homework and all I hear is fear. No, Michael wouldn't leave me alone and I was scared. I'll play.
They did reply. NT.
Because it's Steve.
Yeah, right. It's. I feel like Sofia dies most often because people hate
Because it's
Steve
just
for
Steve.
some reason.
Yeah, Witchling was also freaking out. But I think I was freaking out more.
Just a bit, yeah. You were losing your shit.
What? No.
GG's Unicorn. Oh yeah, Unicorn says GG too.
Yeah.
Sofia says, "Why'd you kill me?" I mean, she didn't actually say it, but we're all thinking it.
Witchling is also playing. Yeah, Steve wants to know why he helped. Is it because it was Steve? We understand.
Oh, yep, that's what you were wanting. That makes sense.
We're celebrating something special.
Unicorn, you look so
Immediately start
pretty.
on this one. Yes, just because Steve.
Just cause Steve. Oh my god, we knew it. People either love Steve or hate Steve. There really is no in between.
I really think they should have Eddie as a skin for Steve.
That would be incredible, but that would mean Stranger Things would have to stop being greedy. Oh, please tell me it's not Legion.
It's Legion.
Legion.
Chase me, Legion. Chase me. Ooh, almost missed it.
Run, Unicorn.
Wait, somebody getting stabbed? Steve?
Stab.
Stab?
Happy
Somebody getting
Preed.
stabbed? Happy Preed.
Happy Preed stab. Oh no. Does this mean you, Witchling, will start wearing some crop tops? I don't know. Is that a vibe I'm going for? Is that a witchy vibe? Do witches wear crop tops? Maybe so.
Guys,
Do I
wearing
have a
crop
black
tops
crop
is-
top? Sucker. Oh my god, I can't believe that! Wow, did you see me plot twist and it not work? It like bounced me right back up. That's funny. But at least when she hit me, I got back flipped. Sofia, I'm playing another because I still didn't get enough points. Not that. Oh, they're on Benji. I thought I got away with the bullshit, but I did not. Whoops. Yep. Are you kidding me? They said that? That's so sweet. That's... Oh my goodness, that's very nice of them. I'm so glad that was their response. That's incredibly perfect. I love the fact that they said it. You so clearly radiate it. Oh my goodness. Gosh. Oh. Sorry, Benji. We were telling secrets and you couldn't know.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I forgot I had you muted.
I was screaming when she was chasing me. I went to that pallet and you were standing there. Why are you here?
Wow, I didn't hear any of that. My bad. Oh, that's so funny. Like Nicolas Cage, just add Angelina.
But it needs to be like her Lara Croft from the first games, where it's like
Oh my goodness.
pixel blocks.
the pixel boobs.
She has like the pointy boobs.
Yep. We love conical boobs. Fuzzy Dust, listen, I played Huntress on PC for the first time, and there was 4 Lara Croft with flashbangs, flashlights, blast mines, and teabagging. Aww. Well, how bold of you to play your first experience of Huntress on PTB.
Fast as fuck, boy.
I'm waiting for this to come back because somebody stole my invitation. The thing about PTB is that I have very much been the type of person in the past who damn it work, so I just kind of don't play PTB unless it's like somebody I'm really interested in, and then when I do that I usually play customs or something, or Survivor. Why do you have to be mean to me? Haha, sucker. Okay. Also, a lot of them are just looking for conflict. Wow, what a jerk face. What? I can't believe that hit me. Ooh, a Puccina. Also, welcome back, Zach. How are you? Imagine using Noed. What? That's cheating.
How dare they put a perk in the game and you used it?
Where's that video or TikTok where it's the survivor handbook or like the killer handbook, rule book? But anyways, that was my last one. Thank you so much for the games, Benji.
Thank you. I can go eat. Go to bed.
It was a lot of fun. These games were fun, even if I died in like, I think 98% of them I died.
I had one real survive, and the rest that I survived, they gave it to me.
Gotcha.
Alrighty, well, I will talk to you later.
Okie dokie. Have a good one, Benji. Love you.
too.
Bye. Thank you for the game as well, Unicorn and Sofia. Y'all both, thank you so much for joining. This was a blast. Today is Tuesday, and it was Yellow Eyebrows. Tomorrow, I stream again, 8 p.m. Central. I don't know what game I'm playing. Maybe I'll try Phasmo because of the new map. But currently undecided. But yeah, tomorrow will be Orange Eyebrow Day. And that means this weekend, maybe we'll get to the rainbow. I just want to send some love over there because it's Pride Month and we want to support our fellow queers. And if y'all can meet this amazing person, that'll be also just one of the benefits of Twitch. Okay, night y'all. I love you all. Bye.